Hey friends, welcome to our Utsuk YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can install Ubuntu 20.04 in your virtual machine. So at first you need to download the virtual machine and the Ubuntu ISO file. So let's get started. So at first you need to go to the virtual machine link and download the virtual machine from here. So Windows host, download. So it will take little bit time. I'm gonna skip this video. So we're gonna need the ISO file as well for Ubuntu. So let's download the ISO file. So from here you can choose Ubuntu 20.04 desktop amd.iso. You need to download this file as well. So let's download. So as it's being downloaded, let's install the VirtualBox. Moving into the downloads. And let's install the VirtualBox. Next, 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 yes, and install it. Click on yes, install, and our VirtualBox has been successfully installed. So this is our VirtualBox interface. So we have successfully downloaded the Ubuntu 20.04 ISO file. So it's around 2.59 GB. So in your system, in order to download, it's gonna take some time. You need to wait for a while. So let's open our folder where we have downloaded. So this one is the folder where we have downloaded the ISO file. Now you need to go to the new here in a VirtualBox and give name to the virtual machine. As I'm gonna give the name as Ubuntu. And click on next. So in order to allocate the memory size, we're gonna allocate the memory size as up to the green level here. Next. Now you need to create a virtual hard disk now and leave as it is to VDI, VirtualBox disk image. Next. And you need to give dynamically allocated, or you can even use the fixed size, but I'll be using the dynamically allocated. And here it's by default is 10 GB. So I'm gonna increase the size as we're gonna give up to the 100 GB. So click on create. So this will create one Ubuntu virtual machine. And now before clicking onto the start, you need to go to the setting. And here in the advanced tab, you need to go here and click bidirectional. As what it will do is you can copy the files from the Windows to your virtual machine and vice versa. And go to the system here and processor. As by default it's one CPU is given, so we can increase the size of the CPU to let's say 4. And in the storage section here you need to give the ISO file directory here. So simply click here and click on this icon, CD icon. So choose a disk file, and in the download section we have this ISO file. It's around 2.59 GB. And now click OK. And let's start. So this will start the installation of your Ubuntu 20.04. Click start. So this will take certain time. Wait for a while to install the Ubuntu 20.04 in your virtual machine. So depending upon your system, it's gonna take time to install the Ubuntu in your virtual machine. So I'm gonna skip this video part of the installation. So this window will appear here. Now click on install Ubuntu and click on continue. Now you need to go here and leave as it is, and here you need to click on install third-party software like graphics, Wi-Fi hardware, and click continue. So here you can click on something else and continue. So you can even allocate the size for the partition, or if you don't want this to be done manually, you can simply go back and erase disk and install Ubuntu. You can click on first option and install now. So yes, continue. So okay, here continue, and you're gonna give the name of your Ubuntu as, let's give this as Ubuntu 20.04. 20.0. So you can even choose password. Okay, I'll give password as well. Continue. So it will start copying the files. Let's wait for a while to copy the files. So you can even switch to the full screen here by pressing Ctrl in your right keyboard and F and switch. So in order to switch back to the normal, press again Ctrl F. So Ubuntu 20.04 is the latest release of Ubuntu, and this one has very nice graphics around with some of the changes as compared to 18.04. So our installation is almost complete. Let's wait for a while. So okay, we have successfully installed and downloaded the Ubuntu 20.04 in our virtual machine. So restart now. Okay, our system will restart now, and we will be seeing Ubuntu 20.04 interface. So this one is the fresh installation of Ubuntu in our virtual machine. So give your password that we have given while installing. Okay, this one is the our Ubuntu 20.04. So as we are facing the problem of full screen here, so in order to solve this, press Ctrl F and go to the devices, insert guest addition CD image. So here press run and again give password. So it will install some of the modules. So click enter, and now you need to power off your virtual machine, and again let's start the virtual machine. So in next time, if you press Ctrl F, then log in, it will give you a full view of the Ubuntu 20.04. As you can see this, it's giving the full view now. So this one is the Ubuntu 20.04 in virtual machine. I hope you enjoyed this video. So we will meet you in our another video. Till then, goodbye.